2077년 캘리포니아 한 부유한 가정집에서 생일 파티가 한창입니다. 아이들을 위해 열정적으로 공연을 하고 있는 이 남자는 유명 할리우드 배우 쿠퍼.
How the hell is Cooper Howard working kids' birthday parties?
What else? Alimony.
What'd they say, Dad?
And I'm lucky to have such a good helper like you.
Honey, get with Cooper. Let's get a picture. Coop. Do your thumbs up.
Yeah, you know, given the state of everything, I prefer not to if that's all right.
Drop
Yeah.
it, Bob?
Pinko.
Yeah. You still took my money.
쿠퍼의 딸 제이니도 파티에 참석했지만 겉돌고 있었고 그런 제이니에게 다가가는 쿠퍼.
Why wouldn't you do it? The thumbs up.
That's grown-up stuff. Well, back when I was in the Marines, they taught us that if they ever drop a really big bomb, told us to hold up your thumb just like this. Cloud is smaller than your thumb. Now you run for the hills.
And if it's bigger than your thumb,
They told us not to bother running.
can I have a slice, Dad?
If I can't rustle you up, please.
그런데 그때
Is it your thumb or mine?
쿠퍼는 제이니를 안고 달려가기 시작합니다. 하늘에서는 핵폭탄이 비처럼 쏟아내렸죠. 이곳은 핵폭발에도 안전한 방공호 볼트 33. 이곳 볼트 33의 거주민들은 교육을 받을 수 있고 스포츠도 즐길 수 있으며 신선하고 건강한 식사를 할 자원도 넉넉했죠. 오늘은 거주자 루시의 결혼식. 루시의 아버지는 볼트 33의 감독관 행크입니다.
Gosh, you look just like your mother.
I wish she was here.
Me too.
Overseer? It's time.
볼트 33은 볼트 31, 32와 연결되어 있고 근친혼을 막기 위해 타볼트와 결혼으로 교류해왔습니다.
Gatekeeper. Cat.
Honestly, probably best if we reschedule with the 32s until maintenance and I can...
Jet,
Lucy, I love you.
messing around with your cousin, it's all well and good for kids, but it's not a sustainable long-term sexual...
결국 채트는 볼트 32와 연결된 통로를 개방하고
Welcome, neighbors from Vault 32.
Lee Moldaver, overseer of 32.
Who am I marrying?
그때 등장하는 루시의 신랑.
I'm Lucy.
Monty.
Lucky.
잘생기고 건장한 청년의 등장은 만족스러운 행복한 결혼식으로 이어졌죠.
So what's your sperm count? Your Vault's doctor must check every physical, no? Sperm is pretty important in perpetuating America. So...
그 시각 루시의 동생 노먼은 볼트 32의 거주자들이 뭔가 특이하다고 느끼는데
If our measurements are correct, radiation levels on the surface are dropping fast enough that the next generation, Lucy and Monty's children, will be able to recolonize. These survivors will need to be shown a better way. And such a beautiful bride. And her new husband. I feel hope. Let's dance. Hit it.
사람들이 파티를 즐기는 사이 몬티와 빠져나온 루시는 신혼집으로 향하고 진한 첫날 밤을 보냅니다. 파티가 이어지던 그때 수상함을 느낀 노먼은 볼트 32로 향하고 문이 활짝 열린 내부로 들어가 보는데 이상하게도 관리된 흔적이 보이지 않는 듯한 볼트 32 내부의 모습. 첫날 밤을 보낸 루시 또한 흉터가 많은 몬티의 몸에 이상함을 느낍니다.
From the surface. Raiders.
이들은 살인과 약탈을 일삼는 지상인 레이더들이었고 상처 입은 루시는 구급함에서 스팀팩을 꽂아놓고 황급히 밖으로 향하지만 볼트 33은 이미 아수라장으로 변해 있었습니다. 동생 노먼을 대피시킨 루시는 아빠 행크를 찾으러 가려 하는데 두 사람은 곧바로 외부로 연결된 문으로 향하지만
Welcome.
I think I know who you are.
So I'm going to offer you a choice, them or her.
아빠의 고민은 그리 길지 않았습니다.
You are my world.
You look like your mother.
Where are you taking him?
To the real world. Run and hide.
그렇게 지상인들이 떠나고 볼트 33에는 회의가 열립니다.
I have a proposal for the assembly. We send a search party to the surface to find my dad.
But our first priority has to be to maintain the security of this vault.
They don't want to find Dad. If they did, they wouldn't get to be in charge.
하지만 루시는 아빠를 포기할 생각이 없었고 노먼과 사촌 채트의 도움을 받아 바깥으로 나갈 준비를 합니다.
Take care of Norm till I'm back, okay?
I'm going with you.
I'm not letting anyone else get hurt on my behalf.
That'll the same to you if you try to follow me.
I'm too chicken.
그렇게 외부로 나가는 문을 연 루시.
Stop! Lucy! Lucy!
Come back here right away!
루시는 처음으로 볼트 바깥 세상에 발을 디딥니다. 한편 이곳은 강철의 형제단 서부 지부, 일명 종자 수습생 맥시머스가 동료들에게 얻어맞고 있습니다.
How's your nose?
맥시머스의 유일한 친구는 같은 수습생 데임. 강철의 형제단은 핵전쟁 이전의 기술들을 발굴해 사용하는 무력 조직이었죠.
One day as squires, you will help knights find and identify pre-war tech.
맥시머스는 언젠가 기사를 섬기는 종자가 되기 위해 수련 중이었죠. 이들이 형제단의 기사들입니다.
What kind of model is that? It's the T-60. I wonder why they're here.
하지만 맥시머스가 이곳에서 할 일은 변소 치우기가 고작이었고
Come on, I got something I want to show you.
데인이 맥시머스를 데려간 곳은 맥시머스의 최종 목표 파워아머입니다.
Aspirin Dane,
This was my idea. He
you're
didn't
being
want.
summoned. Come with me.
그날 저녁 왁자지껄한 소리에 밖으로 나가보는 맥시머스.
What's going on?
A bunch of us were chosen to get anointed.
Hey, what's your title gonna be?
Squire, tonight Titus.
종자로 선발된 데인의 축하 파티는 밤 늦게까지 이어졌지만 여전히 변소나 치우는 자신의 모습에 환멸을 느끼는 맥시머스. 다음 날 데인의 비명소리에 잠을 깨는데 누군가 데인의 전투화 안에 면도칼을 넣어둔 것인데 형제단을 이끄는 엘더 클레릭 퀸터스는 데인과 가장 친했던 맥시머스를 가장 먼저 호출합니다.
We expect you to give us the truth.
Yes.
Do you know who did it?
No.
Your fellow aspirants say it was you.
I
I wouldn't.
Your friend was promoted, you were not.
I wanted it to happen. Is that wrong?
Yes, we use it to bring order to the wasteland, but violence against a brother of steel is a sign of weakness. Are you weak?
I don't want to be.
You have anything else to say in your defense?
I want to thank you. I had no place in the world. So if I can help the Brotherhood make it better, Eden, or whatever, even if it means giving my own life, I'll do it.
Good boy. And you will be Knight Titus, new squire.
It's not so bad. They said I'll still have a place at the Brotherhood. I heard you got my spot.
You know who did it?
Well, I've narrowed it down to any one of those assholes. They asked if it was you. I told him you wouldn't hurt a fly.
얼마 뒤 맥시머스의 종자 임명식이 열리고 맥시머스의 첫 임무는
It is believed that a denizen of the Enclave has escaped, and that he has with him an object of profound potential to harm our nation or to save it. Each night in this legion, search a section of the wilds for this target.
Approximation of the target for your lord.
그렇게 자신의 기사 타이터스와 함께 탈주자를 찾으러 향합니다. 한편 야심한 밤 어느 공동묘지
Well, Slim, we look for the freshman. Don Pedro has our friend dug up once a year, cuts some pieces off and puts them right back in the ground. Bingo.
묘지에서 누군가를 찾는 현상금 사냥꾼 3인방. 이들은 수액이 달려있는 묘지 하나를 파내기 시작하고 관에서 나온 건 방사능에 오염된 돌연변이 인간 구울이었습니다.
A bounty came down, a huge one. Yeah, now somebody made a run from the Enclave. Figured you'd be interested in. Is where they's running to. Dead Witch, Moldaver, in California. That's where you from, ain't it? Originally, I mean.
And what the fuck would you know about where I'm from?
How about we put you right back in that hole?
Well, I tell you what, boys. Whenever somebody says they're doing one last job, that usually means their heart's not in it. But for me, well, I do this shit for the love of the game. You right, friend, about one thing. This right here was your last job.
얼마 전 엔클레이브에서 강아지 하나가 태어납니다. 강아지를 차마 죽일 수 없었던 과학자 윌지그는 무게를 조작해 강아지를 살려주고 CX404란 이름을 붙여 몰래 키우기 시작합니다. CX404는 무럭무럭 자라 똑똑하고 건강한 성견이 되었고 윌지그가 무엇인가 스스로의 머리에 박아넣는 것을 보게 됩니다. 윌지그를 공격하는 과학자가 처참히 죽임을 당하자 그는 이곳을 탈출하기로 마음먹습니다. 한편 어디로 가야 하는지 모르는 루시는 정처 없이 떠돌고 있었는데
Before the war, people joked about cockroaches surviving a nuclear blast, but they didn't really survive. They improved. You should know better than to light a fire after dark.
Sir, I'm looking for my father. He was kidnapped by this woman named Moldaver. Have you seen her?
You need to go home, miss. Vault dwellers are an endangered species here. You come from a world of rules, of laws. This place is indifferent to all of that.
I'm not going back without my dad.
If you insist on staying, then you will have to adapt. The question is, will you still want the same things when you have become a different animal altogether.
경고를 마친 윌지그는 자리를 떠나고
Hi, hello. Excuse me. I just want to ask you for directions. I'm a little lost.
You got water?
남자는 루시가 예의상 건네준 물을 다 마셔버립니다.
Somebody hands you a bottle of clean water, you drink it. Even if you're not thirsty, you drink it.
Right. You haven't happened to have seen a group pass by with a prisoner?
You head to Philly? It's over at here. Town. People get killed in Philly all the time.
루시가 사람들이 모인다는 필리로 향하던 그 시각 타이터스와 맥시머스 또한 필리로 향하고 있었고 강철의 형제단이 쫓고 있는 것은 윌지그와 그의 애완견이죠.
I see you went with the tempered lining on the T60. Does that help with mobility?
까칠한 기사 타이터스는 갑자기 비행선을 멈춥니다.
Set us down. I'm bored and I want to shoot something.
My lord, we were assigned to search a town called Philly.
막무가내로 맥시머스를 데리고 내려버린 타이터스가 말도 없이 길을 떠나던 그 시각 잠시 뒤 CX는 무엇인가 물고 나오는데 그건 죽은 지 얼마 안 된 사람의 손이었고 윌지그는 동굴이 무엇인지 짐작합니다. 잠시 후 동굴 앞에 도착한 타이터스와 맥시머스.
Look, my lord, they were here. A man and a dog.
타이터스는 동굴 안으로 들어가기 시작합니다.
Go see if the target's in there.
My lord.
In order, my squire.
어쩔 수 없이 안으로 향하는 맥시머스.
See anything? What's the problem, dipshit?
그런데 그때 기사라는 명성에 맞지 않게 도망치는 타이터스.
Fuck! Where were you?
공포에 휩싸인 타이터스는 맥시머스에게 욕을 쏟아붓기 시작합니다.
There's always something to ruin your fucking day. What the fuck are you doing, man? Can you get me a fucking stim pack instead of just standing there? You stupid motherfucker, you know this is all your fault. You know what they do to squires that don't do their fucking job? Maximus by your lungs and they hang you and let the vultures come get you. They gotta be the worst fucking squire there is. Give me a stim pack. Give me a stim pack. I can't breathe. You fuck. They'll kill you for this.
Not if I bring back the target.
상처 입은 타이터스가 죽길 기다린 맥시머스는 그의 파워 아머를 빼앗고 마는데
There's a two-legged ape, what if it makes the moon up on high?
파워 아머는 착용자의 신체 능력을 초인적으로 끌어올려 주었고
Stop hitting me! I'm gonna fucking kill you. This is the end of your fucking day.
Much obliged to you. It's just
맥시머스는 막강한 힘에 취하기 시작했죠.
The guy was fucking my chickens. On your way, citizen.
그 시각 루시가 필리에 도착합니다.
Hi there.
Holy shit. You're an actual vault dweller.
But I'm actually looking for one criminal in particular.
Barb, get in here. You gotta see this.
The raider I'm looking for is about 5'9".
Barb!
Goes by the name of
Barb, get in
Moldaver.
here. Get out of here, vault dweller.
Ma'am, this Moldaver broke into my vault, took my dad and killed.
And I'm telling you, you're gonna go through a whole lot worse if you stay around here.
I know that it can't have been easy for you, but the mission of the vaults should be important to everyone.
And why is that?
We're going to save America.
We're nothing more than a hole in the ground for rich folks to hide in while the rest of the world burned.
We vault dwellers recognize and are grateful for.
Fuck the vaults.
도움받기는 글렀다는 것을 깨달은 루시가 밖으로 나가고 운명처럼 윌지그와 CX를 다시 만납니다.
Really think you should go home. You are not safe here.
That's what people keep telling me.
You come from Vault 33. Your primary crop is corn. You have a telesonic projector in your farm. It lives images of the Nebraskan countryside. I think I know enough to know you need to go home.
And how do you know so much?
Hey! You Wilson, let's get you inside. I told you to get the fuck out of here.
부울의 등장에 현장엔 긴장감이 감돌고
You know your kind ain't welcome here.
Last night, a bounty came in through all 6 acres. A hefty price on the head of a man that fits the description of that fellow right there.
But I've been paid a whole lot of caps to provide this man safe transport out of Philly.
윌지그의 다리를 가차없이 날려버리는 구울.
I got 1,000 bottle caps for whoever kills that fucker!
돌연변이인 구울은 총탄을 맞아도 멀쩡했습니다. 혼란을 틈타 가게 안으로 들어온 루시는
I'm going to have to ask you to leave him alone.
Fucking vault dwellers.
Well, now that is a very small drop in a very, very large bucket of drugs.
She said stand down.
때마침 맥시머스도 필리에 도착하는데 정의감에 가득 찬 맥시머스는 루시를 도와주려 하고
Knight Titus of the Brotherhood of Steel, stand down, be cut down.
Hi.
Listen, that man is important. I've been sent here to find him. Get him inside and keep him there until I've dealt with the ghoul.
Okay. I don't mean to interrupt, but was that a knight?
Wasn't under the defibrillator. I'm sorry for yelling. I've been shot in the leg.
She can take me.
Shit.
I need you to take this man here to my client.
Thank you, but I'm really only here to find my dad.
My client goes by the name of Lee Moldaver. You ain't getting near Moldaver without something to bargain with, and delivering this guy right here is your best option.
Gosh damn it, okay.
This is where you're gonna find Moldaver. The rides move pretty quick in and out through there, so you're gonna need to move fast if you want to keep your skin. This could maybe work.
맥시머스가 시간을 끄는 사이 루시는 윌지그와 함께 필리를 벗어나고
Rule number 1, read the manual.
구울은 윌지그를 찾아 뒤늦게 가게 안으로 들어가지만 CX에게 스팀팩을 놔주는 구울. 살아난 CX는 냄새를 따라 윌지그를 찾아가기 시작합니다.
Says here we have about 20 miles left to go. How's your new... Oh, golly. Holy moly.
I'm not going to make it.
But you are going to get across that wasteland.
No, you see, I've just taken a cyanide pill.
What?
Vault-Tec Plan D. It was the most humane product that Vault-Tec ever made. People are going to come after you. You can change the future if you can bring me to Moldaver.
But how am I going to bring you if you're...
Just my head.
Pardon?
I took the pill so that it would be less taxing for you to go through with.
You're asking me to...
And this is the only way to get your dad back, okay? Miss McLean.
How do you know my name? Sir.
윌지그는 자신의 머리를 떼어 가져가란 말만 남기고 사망해버립니다. 고민하던 루시는
Okie dokie.
윌지그의 머리 없는 시체를 발견한 구울은 가방에서 뭔가 꺼냅니다.
Come on, let's go find the rest of them.
What is so special about you?
윌지그의 머리를 관찰하다 뭔가 발견한 루시.
Just in case, to keep you extra safe.
루시는 머리에 추적기를 심어놓습니다.
Boy, that night really was something, huh? Wonder who he was.
파워 아머에서 고장난 부분을 수리하려는 맥시머스. 형제단 본부로부터 온 무전에 고민하는 맥시머스.
This is Petty Officer Shortsight. You missed your check-in.
We were attacked. My squire, he fell in battle.
It's not a problem. We got plenty of squires.
새로운 종자를 보내준다는 말에 무전기를 부숴버린 맥시머스는 부서진 부품을 수리하기 위해 다시 필리의 수리점으로 향하는데
I can fix it. Cost you 5 caps.
Could you do it for 4? Extra, if you do it fast.
Thanks.
다시 돌아왔을 땐 암호를 탐내는 사람들이 몰려 있었는데
Step away from the armor.
Get this shit out of me.
기사 훈련을 제대로 받지 못한 맥시머스는 상대가 되지 않았죠.
But they're always asking, and it's so to tell them that you're gone.
My fucking arm! Fuck him up! Fuck him up!
겨우 암호를 지키는데 성공하는 맥시머스. 그때 형제단의 수송기가 도착하고 맥시머스를 괴롭히던 테디어스가 종자로 도착합니다.
Knight Titus, and I'm honored to be in your charge.
바짝 긴장한 테디어스는 형제단의 다음 임무를 전달합니다.
I also bring new orders from the Elder Cleric. We're not the only ones in search of this remnant from the old world. Whoever gets the target will control the wasteland, and we are to kill whomever stands in our way.
Understood.
그때 목표 지점에 점점 가까워지고 있는 루시.
You like grass?
갑자기 나타난 괴생명체가 윌지그의 머리를 가져가 버립니다. 루시가 괴생명체를 따라 물속으로 들어가려던 그때
Where is it?
I lost it.
Gulper got it, huh?
Stop! Torture is wrong!
Well, I ain't torturing you, sweetheart. I'm using you as bait.
CX 때문이었을까 걸퍼는 황급히 도망치기 시작하고 구울은 자신의 약이 다 깨져버린 걸 발견합니다.
You can't treat people like this!
Yeah, why's that?
Because of the golden rule. Do unto others as you'd have done unto you.
Those Gulpers digest real slow. You got time.
No. Stop! Where are we going? What about the dog?
He ain't mine.
Yeah, guy from the Enclave. Guy everybody's looking for. You saw him?
I did. He left with a girl. A woman.
How'd they get away?
The ghoul intervened.
But you just killed it on sight, no questions asked.
No, if we find the ghoul, we find the target.
데디어스는 구울에게서 나오는 방사능을 추적하기 시작하고 얼마 지나지 않아 무언가를 발견하는데
Think this was him?
Hard to tell.
Oh, yeah. Think we should bring the body back with us?
No,
If they left the body, it must be worthless.
his head is what's valuable. We need to find it.
Okay, so I think that the pool probably should be like, those tracks.
루시의 흔적을 찾은 두 사람은 쉬어가기로 합니다.
So, your former squire. How did he die?
You knew him?
I did. He was a good guy.
There's something negative about him.
To be honest, me and the other guys used to be pretty hard on him. It wasn't personal, you know? It's just people at the base, they used to beat the shit out of me all the time. This shipment of new recruits came in, and one of them was Maximus. What if we beat the shit out of that guy instead? I just wish he lived long enough to find someone else to beat up, you know? Only seems fair. But still, I feel bad.
Don't feel bad.
Let's go. We're losing daylight.
두 사람은 추적 끝에 루시와 구울이 만난 호숫가에 도착합니다.
Wait a minute.
What?
We're definitely picking up an abomination of some kind or another.
You idiot!
It was my mistake.
Get back to shore.
But, sir.
Go!
Thank you, sir.
얼떨결에 걸퍼를 처리하고 테디어스까지 구해낸 맥시머스.
You saved me.
You saved me first.
게다가 윌지그의 머리도 찾아냅니다. 그 시각 구울은 루시를 데리고 어디론가 향하고 있었는데
I need water, please.
하지만 구울은 물을 나눠 마실 생각이 없었죠. 구울이 안내하는 곳으로 갈수록 방사능 수치가 높아지는데
Ain't much stays clean up here, Volta.
Is that what happened to you? Radiation?
Something like that.
그때 루시의 눈에 보이는 과거 볼트 광고. 그렇습니다. 구울은 200여 년 전 할리우드의 유명 배우 쿠퍼였습니다. 그에게는 사랑하는 아내 바브와 딸 제이니가 있었고
Hey, what is this?
A bit of a costume change for you, Mr. Howard. They even made it in your color.
쿠퍼는 아내의 부탁으로 광고 촬영을 하게 되었고
On behalf of the whole Vault-Tec family, we wanted to say how delighted we are.
Okay. Over here?
그의 옷에서 알 수 있듯 아내가 다니는 회사 볼트텍의 방공호, 볼트 광고였죠.
Hey, I have an idea. What if I were to do like a thumbs up?
Go for it, Coop.
한편 볼트 33에 남은 노먼은 의회에 불려갑니다.
You know why you're in here?
Because I helped my sister escape the vault. A single bad decision that put everyone at risk. Not just Vault 32, but 33 and 31 as well. But you could have destroyed the last vestiges of civilization. What are we going to do with you?
Punish me with a demotion, I guess.
You're currently working with computers and information maintenance.
Are you aware that at every job you've been assigned to, your performance review has been lax enthusiasm?
How do you demote someone who equally dislikes every job he's ever worked? I'm just glad to hear that we punish people down here for breaking the rules. Is that just for Vault Dwellers or for people who come down here and murder Vault Dwellers?
We've got a job for you after all.
Your catered snackables have arrived.
노먼의 임무는 밖으로 나가지 못하고 포로가 된 레이더들에게 배식을 하는 것. 볼트에 거주 중인 레이더들의 거취를 놓고 회의가 열리지만
Given our recently dwindled numbers, the most ethical solution would be to rehabilitate the prisoners and then integrate them into our vault society.
Is there something you'd like to say, Norm?
I don't know. I don't think it's our job to help these people.
So what do you propose we do?
We can do what they would have done to us.
Wow. Jeez Louise, Norm.
Young Norm was just expressing a feeling.
All right. Sirs?
Let's hear it.
The water chip is destroyed. The vault only has enough water to keep our population alive for 2 months. And that's not accounting for the prisoners.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, meeting adjourned.
방으로 돌아가는 노먼을 스테파니가 불러세웁니다.
You're right, you know. They killed my husband. If your father were here, he'd do the right thing. 쿠퍼는 소리가 들려오는 곳으로 루시를 데려갑니다.
Hey, Raj.
Fancy seeing you out here.
그곳에는 상태가 좋아 보이지 않는 또 다른 구울이 있었고
How you feeling?
It's hard out here.
You're turning.
Yeah, you don't have to have any files, do you?
I'm sorry, Roger. I'm all out.
Might want to clear out. I did okay. 28 years since I first started showing. Not as long as you, though. You've outlasted us all.
구울이 되면 수명이 늘어나고 회복력이 빨라지지만 약을 지속적으로 먹지 않으면 이성을 잃고 짐승처럼 변하는 야생 구울이 되기 때문이었죠.
Say, remember how good food used to taste?
Lamco mac and cheese.
Ice cream and apple pie.
You know, my mom used to.
Why'd you do that?
쿠퍼는 죽은 로저의 살점을 떼어내기 시작하고
Stop, please.
What did you say your name was?
Lucy McLean.
McLean. Well, Lucy McLean, it ain't all canned peaches and marmalade left up here, sweetheart. Sometimes, a fella's gotta eat a fella.
How do you live like this?
Ass jerky don't make itself.
로저를 육포로 만든 쿠퍼는 다시 길을 재촉합니다. 루시는 더 이상 갈증을 참을 수가 없었죠.
Now you get me. How does that golden rule drive what's going through your head right now?
What are you?
Oh, I'm you, sweetie.
쿠퍼가 발작하자 루시는 도망가기 시작하고 도망치다 웬 큰 구덩이를 만난 루시.
Where you think you going? You ain't going nowhere. Little killer.
쿠퍼는 루시의 손가락 하나를 잘라버립니다. 그러고는 의문의 마트로 루시를 데려가는데
Transaction?
Yes?
2 months supply of owls. Exchange 1 female, mint condition. Near mint condition.
Condition grading requires physical evaluation.
Please send her in.
루시는 어쩔 수 없이 마트 안으로 들어갑니다.
Welcome.
What the fudge?
루시를 맞이한 건 로봇이었고
I say you've lost a finger. Let's get you taken care of. Follow me. Would you mind taking a seat on that gurney in front of you? Ah, this one will do it. Now, if you give me your hand.
Thank you.
I say.
I really do appreciate this.
That's much better, isn't it?
That feels really, really nice. You know, that... I mean, I thought I was here to be a sex slave.
I'm simply going to harvest your organ.
한편 볼트 33에서는 행크의 뒤를 이을 감독관을 선출하기로 합니다.
There you are. Thought you might be up here.
You came here to talk to me about what I said at the assembly.
You're not the only one that feels the absence of your father. And with your sister gone, you're the last standing McLean. Just tread lightly.
그 시각 스테파니는 채트를 찾아갑니다.
I was actually just organizing some of Bert's things, and well, I thought maybe you might want some of them.
임신한 상태에서 남편을 잃은 스테파니는 채트에게 남편의 옷을 입히기 시작하더니 노먼은 오늘도 레이더들에게 음식을 배급하고 있었는데
Wait, they're getting Jello cake?
Those are my orders. Do you want it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in my fridge.
What are you looking at?
For what you did to the innocent people in Vault 32.
I don't know what the people of Vault 32 were up to, but it was anything but innocent.
레이더의 말에 볼트 33의 통신 기록 내역을 살펴보는 노먼. 이상함을 느낀 노먼은 채트를 찾아갑니다.
Feel like getting out of the house?
Yes.
노먼은 채트를 데리고 볼트 32로 향합니다. 폭발로 망가진 문은 여전히 열려 있었죠.
You see? Whatever happened here happened a long time ago. The last biosignal detected was 2 years ago.
So if they were already dead when the raiders got here, who killed them? I mean, it looks like they strangled each other with their hands.
이상하게도 볼트 32 사람들은 서로 싸우다 자멸한 것 같았는데 엄지손가락을 치켜 올린 채 죽어있는 볼트 32의 관리자.
It still doesn't explain how the raiders got in.
관리자 컴퓨터로 개폐 기록을 살펴보는 노먼.
It says it was open from the outside.
No. They need a Pip-Boy to open the door.
They had one.
Whose?
My mom's.
한편 마취에서 깨어난 루시의 눈에 갇혀있는 사람들이 보입니다.
Our latest arrival has arrived.
What are they asking, Snip Snip?
60 vials.
We can do 60.
Fantastic.
Oh, do her now so she's ready for the next pickup.
로봇은 수술실로 루시를 데리고 가고
Now don't be afraid. A little snip snip and it will all be over. Excuse me.
Hands up!
It's a fucking robot.
Snip, snip. Tell them what Abraxo does to the human body.
Fuck, it's very poisonous.
That's why I put Abraxo draining fluid in his syringes.
You can walk out of here.
Them too.
루시는 갇혀있는 사람들을 풀어주고
I said all of them.
Those ones you don't understand.
Don't be scared. You're free.
그들은 야생 구울이었습니다.
Oh gosh.
Hello there. Goodbye.
Martha,
That's right. Your name is Martha. You don't get these. You turn into one of those. I may end up looking like you. I'll never be like you. Golden rule, motherfucker.
쿠퍼에게 약을 건네준 루시가 자리를 떠나고 정신을 차린 쿠퍼는 난장판이 된 마트 안으로 들어옵니다. 건물 안에는 야생 구우라를 막아주는 약이 엄청나게 많았고 TV에서는 자신이 출연했던 영화가 방영 중이었죠.
There's an old Mexican eulogy. Feo fuerte y formal. Means he was ugly, strong, and had dignity. I hope you like the taste of lead, you commie son of a bitch.
한편 윌지그의 머리를 찾은 맥시머스와 테디어스는 즐거운 시간을 보내고 있는데
You should brand me.
You sure? It really hurt.
I want you to. I want you to, please.
맥시머스는 테디어스에게 종자의 낙인을 찍어줍니다.
Cannot wait. Turn the base. See the look on everyone's faces when they see us. Return with the target.
맥시머스는 자신을 좋은 사람이라고 해준 테디어스에게 계속 거짓말하는 게 마음에 걸렸고
There's probably something I should tell you.
Whatever you want. Maximus.
We can still be friends.
Where's Titus?
He's dead.
They're gonna kill you.
Come on, I mean, they don't have to find out.
They'll find out.
I should have known better than to trust you. I'm sorry. Stop moving!
Get off me!
I can't believe you let you fucking brand me.
파워 아머의 전원인 퓨전 코어가 뽑히자 맥시머스는 아무것도 할 수 없었고
Stick your head's mine now.
Don't leave me in here!
하지만 테디어스는 머리를 챙겨 떠나버립니다. 그렇게 시간이 지나고 버려진 맥시머스에게 다가오는 바퀴벌레들. 그곳을 지나가던 루시가 맥시머스와 재회합니다.
That was you, right?
That was me.
Why can't you move?
Someone stole my fusion core. Please, can you please let me out?
그런데 그때
Hey, you have radiation sickness. I got rat away, left in the sleeve of my armor. You can have it if you let me out. Trust me, please.
What's your name?
I'm Knight Titus.
I'm Lucy.
There's a manual option.
I got it.
루시의 도움으로 암호 밖으로 나오는 맥시머스.
A T-60, right? I've seen these in old engineering manuals, but never in real life.
맥시머스 덕분에 정신을 되찾은 루시.
Oh, my squire stole something vital to the Brotherhood. I've got to go after him. Good luck.
Wait, this Brotherhood of yours, you guys have more of those T-60s?
Yeah?
And guns?
Yep.
Listen, I have a tracker that'll lead right to that head. Seeing as everybody on Earth seems to be after that thing, I'm guessing that's what you're looking for too? We travel together. We use my tracker to catch up to your squire, get the head, and take it to the Brotherhood. In exchange for my help, then you'll lend me the services of 5 or 6 of your knights to save my father.
Sounds like a nice way to live.
How did the Raiders get a hold of my mom's Pip-Boy?
뭔가 이상함을 느낀 노먼은 볼트 32와 31의 연결 통로로 향합니다.
It looks like they were trying to get into 31.
All I know is we're leaving.
If anybody asks where we were,
I'll have a heart attack.
볼트로 돌아온 두 사람을 전임 감독관 베티가 불러세웁니다.
Where have you two been?
We've been planting potatoes.
Potatoes.
Well, run along now.
얼마 뒤 볼트 33의 감독관을 새로 뽑는 선거가 열리고
I'm sorry, Reg.
Hey, it's your vote.
I'm gonna vote for Betty.
I got that impression.
의심을 떨치지 못한 노먼은 이전 감독관들에 대해 검색해보고 있었는데
It is my honor to announce that with a 98% majority, Betty Pearson has been elected Vault Overseer.
You ran a great campaign. When things look glum, vote for somebody from Vault 31.
You don't think it's weird that we always elect an overseer from Vault 31? By all accounts, Vault 31 has more resources, better education system, and you know they got that phrase. Things look glum, vote 31. It's a powerful slogan. You think 200 years of coincidence comes down to a slogan? I don't know why. They just do. So if it's not at all worrisome, why are we whispering? Not to mention Steph's from Vault 31.
Hello, Norman.
We'll pick this up later. Hey, sure. Steph? How's Vault 31 different from here?
What did your dad tell you?
Not much, actually.
Maybe the mashed potatoes were a little better?
That is what my dad used to say.
Must be true then.
Hello, Vault 33. In my first edict as overseer, I will be hosting a Vault-wide meeting about the future of Vault 32 tomorrow at 10 a.m.
그 시각 윌지그의 머리를 찾아 테디어스를 뒤쫓고 있는 루시와 맥시머스.
Can you tell me what's happened in the last 200 years? I know about the Great War and the bombs falling.
Bombs fell when I was a kid.
Is that what they tell you in your brotherhood?
You're the one who grew up in a box underground.
I come from a place where the world is what you make of it. We're naive down there. Up until I was 6, I really thought that the big light on our farm was the sun. After my mom was gone, I realized it was just her that made it all feel so real.
얼마 뒤 다리를 건너려던 두 사람을 막아서는 무언가.
You armed? No!
Yes, we are.
Are you armed? No. Give me your gun.
No.
누구도 믿을 수 없는 세상에서 팽팽하게 오가는 양측의 거짓말들. 이러한 상황이 익숙치 않은 루시가 해결책을 제시하는데
How about on the count of 3 we all raise up our arms? 1, 2, 3.
그렇게 서로를 믿으며 다리를 건너는 양측. 하지만 루시의 핏보이를 뚫어지게 바라보기 시작하는 여자.
Fiends. Should have known.
You've been shot.
Happens all the time.
What's a fiend?
It's people who eat people.
I hate it up here.
추격을 이어가던 두 사람은 색이 바랜 커다란 간판을 발견합니다.
You never heard of the New California Republic?
34,000 people lived here after the war. The entire purpose of my vault was to come up to the surface one day and restart civilization. It's Reclamation Day. It's what keeps us all going. And it already happened without us.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, it didn't work out.
맥시머스는 쉐이디 샌즈 몰락의 현장을 보여줍니다.
What happened?
It's the same thing that always happens.
I wonder if anyone survived.
I did.
쉐이디 샌즈가 핵폭탄으로 멸망하던 날, 맥시머스는 운 좋게 살아남았고 강철의 형제단에게 발견되며 종자 수습생의 길을 걷게 된 것이죠.
We should keep moving.
Hey,
맥시머스의 상처는 심하게 곪아가고 있었고
we have to get you something.
주변을 둘러보던 루시는 병원 하나를 발견합니다. 사라진 루시를 찾던 맥시머스는 일단 불빛을 따라가 보는데 다시 감독관이 된 베티는 볼트 33 사람들을 볼트 32로 불러 모읍니다.
These vaults of ours are too sacred to leave empty, which is why I am announcing a resettling campaign.
그렇게 볼트 32로 들어서자 이상하게도 볼트 32는 노먼과 채트가 본 것과 달리 깨끗하게 치워져 있었죠.
Find anything interesting?
Great job cleaning up, but not how spirits. Betty, when my mother died, what happened to her Pip-Boy?
It was buried with her.
How are you so sure?
Because I buried her myself. Me and your father.
의문의 장소에서 깨어나는 루시. 곧이어 맥시머스도 깨어나고
It's okay.
Where are we?
We're in a vault.
다행히 두 사람이 떨어진 곳 근처에는 볼트사가 있었고 볼트사의 사람들은 루시와 맥시머스를 환대해 주었습니다.
We can't thank you enough for letting us in and taking care of us.
But your friend is going to have to recover here for a couple of days before it's safe to travel.
I'm fine.
Oh, and we found his armor.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. I don't know if you've been to the surface, but it is.
I was born on the surface. I was 11 and traveled with her to Philly. 3 days walk from home, and we could still feel the heat from the blast.
You're from Shady Sands.
Many of us are.
볼트사에는 쉐이디 샌즈가 멸망하고 들어온 사람들이 많았습니다.
We shouldn't be wasting time down here.
You heard the doctor.
This is a cult.
It's not a cult.
Everyone's smiling.
Titus, this is a safe place. Because in the vaults we recognize that we all need each other.
Breakfast, but our overseer wanted to say a quick hello. Overseer Benjamin, this is Lucy and Titus.
Welcome to Vault 4. Just some housekeeping, a few things to be aware of. Stay out of level 12, and trust me, we've had incident after incident with newcomers. And once again, welcome to Vault 4.
Thank you.
그제야 뭔가 다른 사람들이 있다는 사실을 눈치채는 루시. 잠시 후 루시는 감독관과 면담을 해보는데
You're from here?
5 generations, and proud of it.
Huh. Because so many people here seem to be refugees from the surface.
Tell me about it. What, you don't take in surface dwellers in your vault?
No, we don't.
What is that like?
I don't understand. If you don't like people from the surface, then why do you keep taking them in?
It's a policy from before my time. If you want to get elected, you have to respect their tradition.
I think what you're doing here is a really good thing. I saw what was left of Shady Sands, and some of these people lost everything.
And that was a tragedy. Any other questions?
What's on level 12, and why can't we go there?
We don't talk about that.
I only wanted to...
Goodbye, Goosey.
맥시머스는 오직 파워하머의 퓨전 코어에 관심이 쏠려 있었는데
Where do you guys get your power from?
홀린 듯 전력 생산 시설로 향하는 맥시머스.
I see you found our fusion core. Some people who come here have a hard time adjusting to finally feeling safe. All the things you've had to do to survive still fresh in your mind. Trust doesn't come easily to those of us with a guilty conscience.
여자는 맥시머스에게 핏보이와 방까지 제공해 주겠다는데
How about you sleep in a room of your own tonight?
방 안에는 맥시머스가 지금껏 경험해보지 못한 세계가 펼쳐졌죠. 마트에서 영화를 보다 잠이 든 쿠퍼는 인기척에 눈을 뜨는데
Destroying a legitimate business? That's illegal around these parts.
Says who?
The government.
그렇게 거버민트란 조직에 끌려가는 쿠퍼. 끌려가는 쿠퍼는 과거를 회상하기 시작합니다.
Now that right there is Vault 4's 3-foot thick lead casing.
아내 바브의 추천으로 볼트 광고 모델로 활동하던 시절이었죠.
No, Lloyd and Cassandra here are both scientists, specializing in the effects of radiation on human DNA.
And will be living and working right here in Vault 4, leading a community governed entirely by scientists.
You all are heroes in real life.
그 시절 볼트 텍사는 볼트의 거주권을 판매하고 있었죠.
Mr. Howard, great work today.
Thanks.
Bud Askins, I oversee the Southern California operations. The future of all humanity comes down to one word.
Yeah, what's that?
Management.
말 많은 버드를 황급히 떼어내고 바브에게 향하는 쿠퍼.
I'm at work.
Well, how about we clock out?
There is a rap party.
What, a rap party?
It's at our house.
The things I'm willing to do for you never cease to amaze me.
조용히 가족과 시간을 보내고 싶었지만 바브를 위해 파티에 참석하는 쿠퍼.
Roosevelt, I'm sorry you can't come, buddy. Yeah, I love that one too. It was my real dog.
파티에 참석한 쿠퍼의 친구는 같은 배우인 서베스 하나뿐이었습니다.
I'm telling you, radicalism is sweeping through Hollywood. I've even got your friend Charlie Whiteknife.
Are you kidding me, Charlie? I serve with that guy.
I have meetings and everything. It's a shit show. Listen to me. Hollywood is the past. Forget Hollywood. The future, my friend, is products. The end of the world is a product. To the future.
To the future.
며칠 뒤 오랜만에 바브와 시간을 보내던 쿠퍼.
You ever think about working somewhere else?
바브는 볼트텍에서 일하며 가족과 보내는 시간이 급격히 줄어들었죠.
I think about it. Buying us a ranch up in Bakersfield?
What's gotten into you?
I don't know. I've been reading too much news lately. Got me second guessing the whole city life.
Bud Askins, he licensed them from Robco. We're integrating them with the Vault-Tec emission system.
Do you really want to spend your 9 to 5s working with these assholes?
It guarantees us a spot in the vault.
We've got money. We can buy a spot in the vault.
One of the good vaults.
What's that supposed to mean?
Hey, just trust me.
얼마 뒤 급진주의에 넘어갔다는 동료 찰리를 만나러 온 쿠퍼.
Guess you had one of your meetings, huh? One of your communist meetings? Come on, man. We watch people die together up north fighting against all that horse shit.
Vault-Tec's the fucking devil, man.
My wife works there.
I like Barb, okay? Do you know what fiduciary responsibility means?
No.
So the U.S. government has outsourced the survival of the human race to Vault-Tec. And Vault-Tec is a private corporation that has a fiduciary responsibility to make money for its investors. And how does it make money? By selling vaults.
That's called capitalism, Charlie.
But they can't sell vaults if these peace negotiations go through. They need to make sure that it don't work out.
Oh, right.
Vault-Tec is $1 trillion company that owns half of everything.
I guess everything's a conspiracy, right?
You should come to a meeting. You should learn the truth about where your wife works.
Hello?
Hello. May I speak to Barb, please?
Who is it?
Henry from the Vault-Tec Assistant Training Program.
Do you have a new assistant?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah? Is Janie asleep?
She's reading Little House on the Prairie to Roosevelt.
Does he like it? What?
It's going to be hard on her. That's all. You know, no dogs in the vaults.
강아지를 금지한다는 말에 쿠퍼는 더 이상 참지 못하고 폭발하고 마는데
Because no dogs allowed, that is the new rule. I didn't go to war defending that freedom so that I could live in a cellar under the boot heel of Chairman Bud Askins.
Every day I go into work and I think about how humanity can survive a nuclear event that will wipe out 90% of life on Earth. And I come home and you're talking to me about hiding out at a ranch up in Bakersfield. I will do whatever it takes to make sure the people I love, that is you and that is Janie, aren't among them. I have worked hard to make sure we go into a special vault for management, where we will oversee all of the other vaults for Janie.
옛날 생각을 하는 동안 어느새 거버민트의 본부에 도착한 쿠퍼.
I heard it was a ghoul that fucked up that super duper mark. Nobody told me it was the ghoul.
Say, you got a needle and thread? I think I got some in my bag. Would you mind?
Look at you, 200 years. Maybe you just like the feeling of that good old California sunshine, wrinkly ass face. And maybe you're still looking for her.
그때 루시는 볼트사의 학교를 돌아보고 있었는데 갑자기 볼트사에 사람들이 어디론가 몰려갑니다.
What's going on?
It's a surface dweller tradition.
You're welcome to come. Sure.
Well, Sorrel, I can confidently cross one reason off that list for you.
Mind your fucking mouth.
Now, what I am hearing is a whole lot of chatter about some woman named Moldava.
They call her the Flame Mother. Now that bitch is dangerous.
Well, when it comes to leadership these days, dangerous is what they call a prerequisite.
Somebody's got to step up and bring some order around here. You know why these boys brought you in?
Cause I fucked up a poor defenseless gang-affiliated organ dealership.
But that super duper mart you gutted was under our protection. Now, you got anything to say in your defense?
Guilty as charged.
Take him out back and feed him to the hogs. God damn it.
그 시각 볼트사의 사람들은 뭔가 이상한 의식을 준비하고
Oh, Flame Mother.
I got one question for you, old buddy. Why do you have this picture on your wall?
That's Moldava. Why?
That's not how I remember her at all.
볼트사 사람들이 숭상하는 대상은 루시의 아빠 행크를 잡아간 몰데이버였습니다. 과거의 쿠퍼는 친구 찰리의 권유로 모임에 참석해보려 합니다.
Thanks for coming. Yeah, we'll see if I stay.
그때 쿠퍼에게 다가오는 누군가. 다름 아닌 멀데이버였습니다. 무서워진 루시는 곧바로 맥시머스를 찾아가지만
You were right about this place. No, we need to leave.
이미 이곳 생활에 익숙해져 버린 듯한 맥시머스.
I get why you'd want to stay. I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to go back on our deal and just be somewhere that is good and safe, but this isn't it. These people are hiding something from us. I'm not leaving without you.
떠날 생각이 없는 맥시머스를 두고 곧바로 12층으로 향하는 루시. (12층은) 인체 실험의 흔적들로 가득했고 더 안쪽에는 임산부들이 들어있는 수면 냉동 캡슐이 가득했는데
I saw the door was open. I worried one of you might have gotten out. Hello?
볼트사 거주자들은 루시를 결박해버리는데
Tended to your wounds, gave you food and water.
You had to go to level 12.
You're experimenting on them. It's sick.
She needs to see the holotape.
All right.
그렇게 영상 하나를 보여주는 감독관.
Overseer Hawthorne, final log entry. And hybridizing humans with radioactive resistant species still has potential.
Creature in the video was actually my great uncle Peter on my mom's side.
볼트사는 과학자들에 의해 운영되고 있었고 과학자들은 볼트 외의 사람들을 잡아와 끔찍한 실험들을 자행했고 참다 못한 사람들이 반란을 일으켜 볼트사를 장악해 운영해 왔던 것이었죠.
What was the experiment in 33?
Well, there is no experiment.
You must pay the price.
끌려간 루시는 곧바로 재판을 받게 되는데
For causing harm to a fellow survivor, you are hereby sentenced to death by banishment to the surface. Need to get that sharpened, please.
You're just letting me go?
That's why we're giving you 2 weeks of supplies to take with you.
Can I just ask you one thing?
Obviously, someone will carry the supplies to the surface for you.
My friend really likes it here, and he's a good person. He deserves to be somewhere nice and safe. I know that I'm not really in the position to be asking favors, but can he stay?
Backup power initiated.
루시가 죽는 줄 안 맥시머스는 난동을 피우기 시작합니다.
Titus, stop! They're letting me go.
Sorry.
그렇게 아무 일 없이 지원까지 받으며 지상으로 나온 두 사람.
What?
We stole their fusion core. Well, without their fusion core, their auxiliary power will only last a few days.
루시의 말에 퓨전 코어를 돌려준 맥시머스. 이 일로 두 사람은 서로가 선하고 믿을 만한 사람이라고 생각하게 되죠.
I was supposed to marry a stranger from another vault. It didn't turn out so good. But Titus, you are the best stranger that I've ever met. And if you wanted to, when all of this is over, you could come and live with us in Vault 33.
잠시 고민하던 맥시머스는
There's something I should tell you. Titus is the name of the knight who owned this suit before me. He was threatening me, so instead of helping him, I watched him die. And I took his armor, and I lied to you. So all that stuff you're saying about me being a good person.
I just threw acid in an innocent man's face. And I've only been up here 2 weeks. The wasteland sucks.
Yeah, sometimes.
Do you want to come and live with me in my vault?
Yeah, of course.
Let's go find that head.
한편 황무지 어딘가 쿠퍼가 누군가를 찾아옵니다.
I'm just looking for information.
I'll tell you anything, as long as you leave us in peace.
Say, am I out of date? Or did I hear you had 3 kids?
I had an older son, but he's gone. We took up with that mad woman in the hills 2 years ago.
There's always some new little faction, ain't there? What did you say the name of your eldest was? Was it Rufus?
I didn't say.
That must make you Tommy.
What did you do?
Oh, Rufus got Tommy mixed up with that mad woman, too. Rufus sent Tommy a stash of caps to pay a courier for the safe transport of an enclave defector to that very same mad woman in the hills, Moldova. By the time I got this letter off your brother, it was a little bit hard to read. For some reason, I just can't make out her location. Now you give me that location, and I'll be on my way.
Just tell him.
She's at the observatory.
Please, leave us.
So what you think, Tommy, for what I did to your big brother?
He won't.
그렇게 멀데이버를 찾아 자리를 뜨는 쿠퍼.
What is it about California that we all came to this place? We were told the atom bomb meant the end of war. That didn't work out, did it?
That's about all the horseshit I can take. Cool, come on.
Mr. Howard, Vault Tech is the largest company in America. There's a lot of money in selling the end of the world.
Sorry, this was a mistake. We'll be leaving.
Oh no, I'm quite glad you brought Mr. Howard today. You see, it happens that I know your wife.
How do you know my wife?
My research company was acquired by her division. Cold fusion, infinite energy. That's what I was on the verge of achieving when Vault Tech swept in and bought up every company I'd ever worked for.
A good bad guy doesn't see themselves as a bad guy.
America has been locked in a resource war for over a decade. Vault Tech bought the means to end that war so they could put it on the shelf. I want your help in getting it back.
그러고는 도청 장치를 쿠퍼에게 건네는 멀데이버.
You want me to spy on my wife? Good luck with the revolution.
No, keep it. It's a token.
한편 윌지그의 머리를 가지고 형제단으로 향하는 테디어스. 부상 입은 발 상태는 점점 심해지고 계속 머리를 따라오며 귀찮게 하는 CX도 너무 신경 쓰이는데
Oh, yeah.
그는 결국 CX를 가둬버리고
Got a radio tower to phone. Contact the Brotherhood. Get him his head. Get me some glory.
그렇게 형제단과 교신을 위해 방송탑을 향해 가는데
Excuse me! Don't kill me. I'm a doctor. I can help you.
자기가 의사라는 남자는 테디어스를 어디론가 끌고 갑니다.
I've seen this condition before, but you're in luck, because I've got the cure. I have in my possession serums and potions of wandering travelers such as yourself. What stopped me from just killing you, taking your whole thing of drugs? Not many people know the difference between the noxious and the benign. Which is which? Fine. Just give me the right one. Before we start, there's a small matter of my fee.
테디어스는 치료비로 암호에서 꺼낸 퓨전 코어를 건네고
Here. Okay, let's get started.
그러더니 이것저것 조합하는 남자.
This elixir I have concocted heals all. And I mean everything.
그런데 신기하게도 회복되는 테디어스의 으깨진 발.
Ah, thank you. Sure thing, buddy boy. Do you know where I can find a radio tower? It's near a town that used to be called Shady Sand. This place is radioactive as hell. Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore, do you, buddy boy?
그 시각 노먼은 여전히 레이더들에게 배식을 해주고 있습니다.
Hello, Vault 33! In preparation for repopulating our neighboring Vault 32, Overseer Betty will be sending out Vault assignments later today.
그런데 잠시 뒤 점심시간.
What happened?
We don't know.
The medic says it looks like rat poison.
I wouldn't do something like that!
More death.
어떻게 된 일인지 레이더들이 전부 죽어버렸습니다. 그리고 볼트 32로 이주할 사람들이 정해집니다.
Oh, hi, Nora. It's just terrible about the Raiders, isn't it? Don't be too long. I'm holding the baby, so you have to pack everything.
You're going to?
Yeah. So you're just gonna forget about everything we've seen.
I feel like this is a good moment for a fresh start.
You're a coward. You know that shit?
That's why we live in a vault.
한편 멀데이버를 향해 가던 쿠퍼는
Go find your daddy.
CX를 꺼내주며 다시 옛날 기억을 더듬습니다. 쿠퍼는 바브의 핏보이에 도청기를 연결하는데
Got your hot cocoa, sweetie. He'll be out in a minute.
What are you thinking?
Boyd and
Cassandra here are both scientists.
그날 밤 잠이 들지 못한 쿠퍼는 자신이 출연한 볼트 광고를 보더니
Dogs in the vault, huh?
자신의 강아지를 가족처럼 생각하는 쿠퍼는 도청기를 다시 꺼내듭니다.
I'm sorry, dog meat, but you ain't him.
얼마 뒤 테디어스는 방송탑에서 형제단을 기다리고 있습니다.
Great job on these booby traps, by the way. Really good. Hey, is this your ride? Shit. Guess not. Okay. God, I suck without a scope.
We just want the head.
Who are you?
I'm the person who got it off.
Okay,
그런데 화살을 맞고도 살아있는 테디어스.
I wouldn't do that.
I think you might be a ghoul.
Oh no, so stupid. I should have never trusted a doctor that smelled like that.
그때 형제단의 헬기가 도착하고
Fuck! Oh fuck! They'll kill me if they find out. What?
This is good, no? The Brotherhood is the good guy?
It's a complicated organization.
Daddy's give me the head.
Huh?
I'll slow them down. You'll have time to run.
You do that for me? Oh, thank you. Okay, nice to meet you. Bye.
맥시머스는 윌지그의 머리 대신 시체에서 머리 하나를 떼어냅니다.
Find your dad. Go home.
You're supposed to come with me.
They're never gonna stop looking for the artifact.
You're my world, the song I sing.
I'll wait for you, okay? Vault 33. Find me.
I would.
그 시각 볼트 32로 이주하게 된 사람들을 배웅하는 노먼.
Every vault needs an overseer, which is why I have conferred with the High Council. And we are proud to announce, as interim overseer of Vault 32, Stephanie Harper.
이번에도 볼트 31 출신의 스테퍼니가 임시 감독관 자리에 오릅니다. 그렇게 채트와 스테퍼니는 볼트 32로 이주를 시작하고 조용히 자리를 빠져나온 노먼은 사람들의 눈을 피해 감독관 집무실에 들어섭니다. 베티인 척 메시지를 주고받은 노먼은 곧바로 볼트 31과의 연결 통로로 향합니다. 망설임 없이 볼트 31로 들어가는 노먼. 한편 강철의 형제단에게 끌려가고 있는 맥시머스. 맥시머스는 필리에 있는 엘더 클레리 퀸터스에게 끌려가고 그에게 가짜 머리를 바칩니다.
Where's your knight?
He's dead.
No artifact, my lord.
Wait. Please listen to me! I can get you the real head.
Confess.
Don't kill me and I can lead you to it!
Please, my lord. My injury was my own doing, not his.
Please, I know where the head
For the
is!
sake of the Brotherhood, please listen to him.
Such a display of loyalty. Don't see that much anymore.
맥시머스를 살려준 퀸터스는 그를 따로 불러냅니다.
How did Titus die?
He died running.
The Brotherhood has lost its way. So, if what you say is true, you can lead us to the relic. You and I, we will take power. We will start a new Brotherhood with me as its head and the likes of you as its sword. Your entire life you've been looking for a home. Build one with me.
그 시각 루시는 멀데이버가 있는 목적지에 도착합니다. 그곳에는 남녀노소, 구울 등 많은 이들이 모여 살고 있었고 멀데이버는 루시를 기다리고 있었죠.
Lucy.
Dad. Welcome.
멀데이버는 웬 야생구울 하나와 함께 있었죠.
You wouldn't believe the things that went through my head. One night, I actually tried to stuff an old grenade into the neck hole. I was gonna walk in here and blow everybody up, but that's not really how I was raised. So, if you don't mind, I'm gonna keep things civil. Give me my dad back.
First, what if I tell you how I know your father?
Don't listen to
You think your father was born in a vault.
Oh, this is just ridiculous.
볼트 31에서 노먼을 기다리고 있던 건 바로 로봇이었고
Nope. Just maybe I have to. Oh, thank you, Betty. Wait, you're not Betty or Hank. You share only 50% of Hank McClane's DNA.
His son?
No. What are you? Initiate Protocol 53. All right, don't move. This secret must be guarded. Wait, just right there. Stop.
얼마 뒤 쿠퍼도 멀데이버와 가까워지고 있었고 바브를 회사에 데려다 주던 그 날을 회상합니다. 버드는 오늘도 말이 많은데
I imagine Barb told you about it?
No.
Oh, well, I call it Buds Buds. The basic idea is that the biggest obstacle to achievement has been the brevity of the human lifespan. It's prevented us from working on projects that require centuries, maybe even millennia to see through. Buds Buds will keep my project on track centuries into the future. Nifty.
Bud, we're getting late.
Oh, yes.
Good luck.
바브가 멀어지자 도청기가 잘 작동하지 않습니다.
Any idea when Barb will be back?
결국 바브의 사무실에 방문한 쿠퍼.
There's a new guy who works with Barb. Henry, he's a really big fan of yours. Do you mind if I bring him by just to meet you for a moment?
Of course.
바브와 버디는 여러 거대 기업들과 회의 중이었습니다.
Sure, rumors of the peace negotiations have set us back a bit, but we're here to offer you an opportunity. I don't get the vaults.
What if people are still alive on the surface?
Our vaults have the resources to survive for centuries. Meanwhile, our competitors, every other human who isn't us, will be dead on the surface. Because after all, what is the ultimate weapon of mass destruction?
Time.
But by outliving them.
이들은 볼트 속에 들어가 지상 사람들이 멸망하면 다시 밖으로 나올 계획을 세우고 있었죠.
When I think about the future, I think about my daughter. How do I provide her with a better future? That's what we've invited you here to discuss.
볼트 30일 안에는 사람이 들어있는 냉동 수면 장치가 가득했습니다.
These are Buds Buds. My Buds. A well-trained staff of highly supervised junior executives for my own assistant training. The future of humanity comes down to one word. Management.
Bud here has an idea for 3 interconnected vaults. We have over 100 vaults spread across America. Enough for each of you to claim several, where you can play out your own ideas for how to create the perfect conditions for humanity. And may the best idea win.
So what's Vault 32 and 33? Just people to be controlled?
People who will inherit the Earth after we've wiped the surface clean.
We wiped the surface clean.
But we're talking about making a significant investment based on a hypothetical.
By dropping the bomb ourselves.
Everything all right, Mr. Howard?
I'm fine, Betty.
Because when we are the only ones left, there will be no one to fight.
Mr. Howard, huge fan. Henry, but everyone calls me Hank.
Your father has been around for a very long time.
This is our chance to make war obsolete. And war, well, war never changes.
You think you could give me an autograph? He never told you where he's really from. He never told your mother either.
What do you know about my mother?
She was like you. To know why I took him.
한편 강철의 형제단은 윌지그의 머리에 들어있던 유물을 빼앗기 위해 전쟁까지 준비하고 있었는데
I met someone. But right now she's walking into danger.
That's why you came back, to rescue her.
I'm leaving with her. A vault. It's a place that's at peace. Nobody ever goes to war. What?
There's nowhere safe, Max.
그렇게 형제단은 멀데이버가 있는 천문대로 출발합니다.
Lucy,
Your mother just something was siphoning the vault's water away. And that one clue, she deduced that maybe civilization had returned to the surface. When she told her husband, he said it was a ridiculous idea and that she should tell no one. And that's when she realized that her husband, the overseer, was hiding things. So she ran away and took her children. And she found this wonderful city that was everything the vaults had promised.
She is lying.
But then her husband came after her. And when she decided not to return home, he took the children and he burned that city to the ground. Shady Sands.
She's lying, Lucy.
그제서야 어린 시절의 기억이 조금씩 돌아오는 루시.
What you brought me is cold fusion. It's limitless energy. Because when Vault-Tec bought my research, they made it proprietary. So only a trusted Vault-Tec minion
Do not
can activate
listen
cold fusion.
to her.
All I need is for him to give me the code.
Lucy! Look at me!
My mother. What happened to her? I think you know.
루시의 어머니는 행크가 떨어뜨린 핵폭탄으로 야생 구울이 되어 있었죠.
She's lying, Lucy.
Give her the code. Give her the code, Dad.
루시의 말에 행크는 아무 말 없이 콜드 퓨전을 활성화시킵니다. 그 시각 모든 진실을 알게 된 노먼이 돌아가려 하지만
Not with what you've learned.
You're just gonna keep me here?
Just until we're all ready to go to the surface.
That could be hundreds of years.
That's why I'd suggest you wait it out in your dad's pod.
Incoming aircraft.
The Brotherhood? Barricade the doors!
월데이버의 병력들은 형제단과의 전투 준비에 나서고
Lucy, I had to make a choice between their violent world and our peaceful one. Everyone equally afraid, equally miserable, forced to do horrible things in order to survive. I loved your mother, but you stopped being your mother when she left home. I believe, Lucy, I know I made the right choice.
형제단의 군인들은 화력을 앞세워 요새 안으로 밀고 들어옵니다.
If the problem with the world is factions, endlessly fighting, endlessly at war, then what is the solution but to get rid of the factions? To make the world us, only ours to shape.
형제단은 어느새 건물 안까지 들어오고
Till you say you're mine,
I bet that outfit makes y'all feel like a big man, don't it? Well, I know, cause, well, I used to wear one back in the day. There was only one problem with it. There was a flaw in the welding, just below the chest plate. I wonder if they fix that in this new model. I guess not.
아빠와 엄마 사이에서 어떤 선택도 내리지 못하는 루시. 그때 루시가 있는 곳으로 들어오는 맥시머스.
Lucy! Lucy? Lucy, hey, I'm her father. Can you get us out of here? Lucy, let's go.
Not with him. It was him.
What was him? Lucy, what?
Shady Sands. It was him. I'm sorry.
Lucy, you're coming with me.
No!
You see what this place does to people? I'm your father, Lucy. You're not gonna hurt me.
You want another autograph, young Henry? Your daughter said her last name was McLean, Will. I just couldn't believe that it was the McLean. Hell, this kid used to pick up my wife's dry cleaner. Now, I've waited over 200 years to ask somebody one question. Where's my fucking family?
Max, come on, wake up. Come on, please.
You look out at this wasteland, looks like chaos. War never changes. But there's always somebody behind the wheel, and that's who I want to talk to. That's where your daddy is headed.
But you let him go.
Well, it's easier to track a stuck pig than to ask it where it's off to. Now, you can stay here with him, but when his tin can soldier friends take this place, and they gonna take this place, they will kill you and everybody here. Or you could come meet your makers.
엄마에게 안식은 선사해준 루시는
I'll find you.
You coming?
Okie dokie.
얼마 뒤 눈을 뜬 맥시머스.
Lucy!
상처 입은 멀데이버가 들어와 콜드 퓨전을 작동시킵니다. 그리고는 죽은 루시의 엄마 옆에 앉는 멀데이버.
We did it, Rose.
곧이어 파괴된 쉐이디 샌즈에 전력이 공급되기 시작합니다.
What do you suppose your brotherhood would do with infinite power? Maybe you can stop them. Maybe you can't. Maybe all you can do is try.
그렇게 멀데이버까지 숨을 거두고
Is that their leader? You killed her.
No, Dane.
All hail Maximus! That shall be night hereafter!
행크의 뒤를 쫓는 쿠퍼와 루시.
I walk with my sweet dream.
그리고 어디엔가 도착한 행크의 모습을 비추며 폴아웃 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 원작 게임까지 역주행시킨 아마존 프라임 시리즈 폴아웃이었습니다. 핵전쟁 이후 200년 지하방주 볼트에서 자란 순진한 주인공 루시가 황무지로 나오며 겪는 여정은 단순한 생존기를 넘어선 거대한 서사를 보여주는데요. 이 작품은 초반부터 여러 갈래의 이야기를 던져놓지만 극이 진행될수록 이들이 촘촘하게 얽히는 과정이 압권입니다. 왜 지구가 멸망해야만 했는지에 대한 근원적인 의문, 각 볼트에 숨겨진 잔인한 사회 실험의 실체, 과거와 현재를 잇는 쿠퍼의 비극적인 서사까지 단순히 소모되는 설정 없이 모든 복선이 후반부의 거대한 반전으로 이어지는 전개 방식은 시청자들에게 엄청난 쾌감을 선사합니다. 첫 번째 시즌이 남긴 강렬한 여운과 해결되지 않는 수수께끼, 두 번째 시즌이 너무 기대되는데요. 폴아웃 시리즈는 아마존 프라임에서 시청하실 수 있습니다.